Okay, in this video we're going to find out how you can install Keplr Wallet. It's a very easy tutorial. It's going to take just few minutes time. Now, first thing, if you want to use like Injective, Osmosis, different chains like Tia, also Atom, there are two best wallets at this time when I'm doing this video. One of them is Kepler, and also second one is Leap Wallet. Now, this one is for Keplr Wallet only, and then I'm going to do different one for Leap Wallet. Now, when I'm doing this video, it's a little bit hard to use Injective protocol with Ledger. Okay, so make sure you understand that. If you have some issue, just to know that is the problem right now, but maybe in the next couple of weeks when I'm going to post this video, maybe that problem will be solved. Okay, so this wallet going to have more than 30 chains with one wallet and over 1 million people installed. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to find the website, and the website is Keplr.app. So you go there, Keplr.app, you go to your Chrome or any browser, and this will be the website. So Kepler, www.kepler.app. Make sure you use only the correct link. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Okay, next thing, you go to add to Chrome, and this will be downloaded, an extension. Okay, so once you add the extension, what you can do is create new wallet, import an existing wallet. If you already have, you can add your seed phrase here or connect a hardware wallet. Now, first, you always need to create a new wallet. You go and press there. And then here you're going to say sign up with Google. Never, ever, ever do that. All right, just don't sign that, please. Create new recovery phrase. Now, one of the key point when you're doing create new recovery phrase, what you can do is turn off your Wi-Fi. All right, just turn off your internet. Go create, write them down in a piece of paper. All right, so make sure you write them down. Do not copy. Do not take screenshot, and do not take picture with your phone. This is a must do, right? Write them down piece of paper and hide them somewhere safe. Okay, also if you have opportunity to give to your relatives, your cousins, I don't know, somebody, just write down a second one also and just give them also there, just to have a copy just for emergency. Okay, so create a new recovery phrase. So you go there and press. And here also they will tell you, do not share your recovery phrase with anyone who have access to this recovery phrase. Okay, phrase, they're going to be able to hack your wallet. It's very, very easy. Please understand that. Okay, you go there, understood, and show my phrase. And I will don't do that now because you will see it, but also this for the only for the video. I will just delete the wallet afterwards. But once you press there, you're going to have a couple of words, like 12 words. Make sure you write them correctly. Okay, once you write down your seed phrase, okay, they're going to ask you to put a couple of words. Make sure you put them correctly. Put your wallet name. I put dummy1. Always use this wallet as a dummy, and then use a Ledger or any hardware wallet, and then you create your password, right? Make sure it's a long and strong password, right? So next one is too long. I'll put, there we go. I'll just put random now because I will delete this one. Okay, too short, too long for easy. Okay, so once you do that, you go next, and there you go, your wallet is created. Okay, happy days. Now here you pick up chains wherever you want. Okay, so chains like Akash, Axelar, Celestia, this is the DYM. Now the new one, when I'm doing this video, here you have Injective. So pick up whatever you want, or just go and save, and then you can pick them up later. Okay, so account created. Okay, great. So finish. Okay, well done to us. Okay, so what do you need to do next is you can go here and just go right there, add. Okay, and this is your wallet now. Okay, if you want to add money, go to deposit, and here you will see that for every chain you have different accounts. For Cosmos, like for Atom, you're going to have Cosmos. For Noble, you're going to have Noble. So basically their accounts starting with the letter of with the name of their chain, and that's the most beautiful thing, to be honest. Okay, now if you want, right here, dummy, so you can go here, right click, change wallet name, or delete, and view recovery phrase. When you're going to add your Ledger, okay, your hardware wallet, this is not going to exist here. If you want to add Ledger, you go here, add wallet. Okay, create new wallet, or import or connect with the hardware. So you press there, and then you connect with Ledger or with Keystone. Now you just go to connect with Ledger, you pick up then you must have installed your Osmosis chain there on your Ledger, and then you're ready to go. Okay, Next thing what you need to do is here you can manage your portfolio, and here you will see how many tokens you have. At the moment I don't have any because this is brand new. Now if you go here to stake, if you want to stake to the validator, you can go there and stake, and that's easy as that, or stake with Kepler dashboard. Okay, and this is going to bring you to the Kepler dashboard, who is extremely easy to use and is amazing. Okay, now this is your dashboard. Right, so this is my dummy, this is my address. All right, I can add more chains if I want, and or if you want to stake. Okay, once you transfer your tokens here, go to stake, pick up the chain, what chain you want. Okay, pick up the validator, and then add to the validator. Make sure that's a totally different video and different topic to know. If you want to add more chains, you go to the Keplr Wallet, you go right here to the little triangle, okay, to the little dots, you go here to add manage chain visibility, and here you can add any chain you want. Okay, simple as that, and then save. And then when you go to a Keplr Wallet, you will see here, okay, let's say deposit, you will see all the chains. And if you want to deposit Celestia, you will see your address starting with CEL. Let me see if I can zoom in. I can't. No, it doesn't zoom in. Okay, now next one. This is a must-do things when you're using any wallet. Okay, must-do things. First, you need to go to the settings, okay, and go to security and privacy, auto locked. Always put time, couple of minutes. Okay, I don't care. Put your time there to get auto locked. Otherwise, always will be open and it's very, very risky. Okay, confirm, and in 5 minutes will be closed. Okay, if you don't use it, automatically will locked. Now, share anonymous data. I don't want to do that. Change password. Here you can change your password. Or a very, very important thing is you must disconnect your wallet after using with any kind of website you've been connected. And how you can do that, you will see I just connect now with one website. So you go here, you go top left, okay, go to settings, and then security and privacy, and here connected website. After using of every time, you must go here, click, and you will see now I'm connected with the Dojo swap, Dojo trading. You go disconnect. Always do this. Okay, this is a must do. And also use the wallet as a dummy wallet and just connect your ledger there or any hardware wallet, and make sure you do all the real deposit or whatever you do with the hardware wallet. Okay, use just the first account as a dummy address. If you want to lock the token, go again top left, and here you will see lock tokens. Okay, you're going to lock the tokens. Now next thing, if you want to add again new address, let's say second dummy wallet, okay, just go there, create new wallet, and I'm going to give you again the same phrase, okay, 12 different seed phrase. Write them down on piece of paper and hide them somewhere safe. Okay, so that's about it for how to add Keplr Wallet. Thank you so much and have a great day.